Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install Filmora 9 2019 complete setup plus installation. Let's get started. After downloading setup of Filmora, which link available in the description. Step number 1, turn off your internet. Step number 2, extract the file. Step number 3, run setup. Wait until Filmora will launch. Step number 5, check the box and click on next. Step number 6, choose location for installation and click on next. Be patient because it takes time. Actually, it depends on your system performance. Step number 7, uncheck the box and click on launch. Wait until Filmora will launch. If any window or browser will open, then just close it. Now click on exit. When this Filmora pop-up window will close, then go to the crack folder. Step number 8, copy these two files. Now open file location of Filmora and simply paste it. Step number 9, connect internet. Installation completed, let's test it. Here, you see, there is no watermark. वीडियो देखने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thanks for watching.